Hello everyone, this is Sen from Sen Invest. Today I'll be sharing with you my tricks and tips for using the Binance US platform. Now you might be saying, why Binance US? When we look here at the exchange listing on CoinGecko, we can see that Binance is the #1 exchange according to volume. However, Binance US is number 13. So why are we interested in this exchange? Well, quite simply, if you're a US citizen, you're not eligible to use the Binance platform. You have to use the Binance US platform. So let's see how these two platforms compare. First, let's take a look at Binance. So we have markets, trade, derivatives, earn, finance, NFTs. There's a lot to choose from here. Let's now look at Binance US. So immediately we can see that there are not nearly the same number of options on Binance US. We have markets, trade, wallet, and staking. Now, the first item I'd like to cover is staking. Okay, so recently Binance announced there are some additional staking options on the platform for Binance US. I've currently staked BNB and Solana here. So let's take a look at how we could stake BNB. Simply click on Stake BNB. I could put in, say, 50% of my BNB that I want to stake, and then I have an auto restake option which gives me 6.4% APY, and then if I don't want to auto restake, I would get 6.21%. So here from my staking activity, you can see I've recently done some staking. I've also received some rewards in Solana and BNB. Let's see how this staking stacks up against the staking available on the Binance platform. So on Binance, we click on staking. So we can see right away that there are over 100 different staking options, considerably more than on Binance US. Let's look at BNB as a comparison. So we can see here 52.34%. This is much higher than the 6.4% APY that Binance US offers. However, this advertised rate here does not offer the full picture of what's going on. To see that, we need to click on Stake Now. So immediately we can see that the available quota, if we were to stake, is only 1 BNB. So if you have a lot of BNB to stake, unfortunately you couldn't earn the 52.34% on all of them. For 30 days staking period, the rate is actually less than that on Binance US. For 60 days, it's slightly more. For 90 days, this product has actually been sold out, so we couldn't even do staking. And then for 120 days, it is more than on Binance US. However, the available quota is only half of a BNB. So to get the maximum rates shown here, you're limited to very small amounts of BNB. If you have a lot of BNB to stake, you're really getting a rate very, very similar to what you'd be getting on Binance US. Different coins have different rules for staking, so this does not apply to the other coins which we see here. So back to Binance US, I'd like to go over my second item, which is crypto withdrawal fees. Let's go to my wallet. So let's say I want to withdraw Bitcoin. Click on Bitcoin here. I'm going to withdraw the maximum amount of Bitcoin I have on the Bitcoin network, and then I'm going to preview my withdrawal here. Right away we can see that the withdrawal fee is pretty high for the amount of Bitcoin that I want to send, which really isn't that much. It's 0.0005 BTC, or about 10 US dollars. When Bitcoin's value was higher in relation to US dollars, I've seen this amount at around $20 or $25. So it looks to be a flat withdrawal fee here. We can verify that by testing a smaller withdrawal. Sure enough, the withdrawal fee stayed the same. So if you're sending such a small amount of Bitcoin, such as 0.01 Bitcoin, it really doesn't make sense to pay such a high withdrawal fee. I mean, wasn't this what crypto was supposed to avoid, these high withdrawal fees? So fortunately, there is a way around this, and this involves some trading. So if we go to trade here, advanced trading, we can see here's a chart. I pulled up BNB BTC. So what you could do is you could trade your Bitcoin for BNB and come back to the wallet, withdraw BNB. So I put in my recipient address and my memo, preview withdrawal. We can see immediately that the withdrawal fee is considerably lower. It's 21 cents for withdrawing BNB. So if you would like to withdraw a small amount of Bitcoin to a platform or an exchange that also accepts BNB, you could first convert your Bitcoin to BNB on the Binance platform, transfer over the BNB, and then reconvert that BNB into BTC again. There is one notable risk that I should warn you of when doing this, and that is that the price of Bitcoin relative to BNB may fluctuate during the time of this transfer. You will also pay additional trading fees in exchange to the transfer fee. However, if it's just a small amount of Bitcoin involved, all of those fees together are probably still going to be less than the one flat transfer fee for Bitcoin. Speaking of trading fees, this is my third item. So here on my dashboard, if we scroll down, we can see here's a switch which says use BNB to pay fees. So I get a 25% discount. If I toggle this off, we can see what happens. So here my fees go up to 0.1%. Now, when using BNB, they're down to 0.075. Now, this might seem like a small difference. However, if you do a lot of trading on Binance or Binance US, this does make a difference. In my case, I use the Bitscap trading robots, which make frequent trades almost every day. So using the BNB to pay for my fees does save me a bit of money. So now you've seen a comparison of some of the differences and similarities between Binance and Binance US. If you're interested in signing up for Binance or Binance US, please consider using the links that I provided in the description. And tell me in the comments, what features on Binance would you like to see offered on Binance US? And finally, as always, remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.